Hey guys, it's Andre, and today I'm coming at you with my new releases video for this Friday and also this Wednesday. Sorry my nails are horrendous, but I'm not filming any other videos this week, so maybe next week I'll worry about those. So let's go ahead and get into the new releases. We'll go over this week's Wiggle Wednesday first. I did go ahead and sneak most of these on Instagram already. So this is this week's Wiggle Wednesday. We are calling it Tangerine. It is like an orange starburst colored tangerine, orange, burnt orange kind of feel foil. I feel like this is perfect for summer and fall. I just love it so much. So you do have all of these sheets are available for $2 each, or if you buy all, there's an option that is all 6 plus you get the freebie for $10, so you get one of the sheets for free and then also a freebie. I kind of did that because we did have that little oopser sheet in there too, but this, if you want to pick up any of these individually, you can, besides the freebie. So this has the bottom washi overlays in the bows and the hearts. You have the mini icons. You have the corners. You have the circle icons and date numbers. You have the boxes. And then you have the header overlays, as well as then if you do get the all 6 plus freebie option, there is the freebie with the bows and then the scripts on the side. So these are super, super cute. Again, I think perfect for summer and fall. Really love the glittery foils the most. Actually, I am going to be using, I'm not going to be filming this week. Maybe I'll do like a couple like little Instagram posts, but I am going to be using Wiggles this week in my planner. I think I'm going to be using the shooting star and the gold tinsel together, kind of make like a cool like different textured look on my 2019 my New Year's Eve spread, which I actually might set up after this video. But I just really love this Wiggle. I have one more Wiggle in this format after this Wiggle. Then we might bring back a couple of the Wiggles from this round, and then we'll be moving into the new Wiggle format, which I am super excited about. Just changed up a couple of little things, moved a couple of items to different sheets, and I am super excited for that. So that is this week's Wiggle, which goes live on Wednesday at noon Eastern. Then we have this week's releases. We'll go over the foil items first. So these foil items, these ones here just came in this week. I did have a huge foil order. I did post a little like story on Instagram. It was just a little bit bigger. We usually get foil orders bi-weekly, and this one was a very large one. We have a lot of items that are going to be coming to the shop, and I'm super excited. Probably like some of the most exciting items that you guys will be most pumped about, I guess. So these are little food doodles. Jessica hand doodled these for me, and I think these are so, so pretty. She proclaimed that these are pretty much her peaking. So I thought, because we're doing kind of like baby themed kits this week, I kind of wanted to give Kirsten some like newer options, since I haven't done any baby kits since I was last pregnant. So Kirsten is pregnant, if you didn't know. So we'll show you guys those then, but I thought it'd be funny to kind of do food ones, because you know, whenever you're pregnant, a lot of what you do is either avoid eating or eat. So a lot of these kind of could be craving foods as well. So you have pizza, you have a chicken wing, you have some pho or ramen or soup, some takeout, then you have a burger, a donut, ice cream, tacos, french fries, cookie, pancakes, boba, or I've used this as just, what did I use this for? I don't remember what I used it for. Oh, I used it for Jamba Juice, actually. You have a milkshake, a cake, a little takeout bag. You could use this like even like meal prepping, like lunch type thing. You have an avocado, bacon and eggs. I used this one. I used this one. I used the pho one. I've used the taco one. I think I used the cookies maybe. I don't remember. You have a lollipop. You have a can of like pop. And then you also have some sushi rolls, which I used that as well. So they do come in a large and a mini size. So they aren't like crazily different, but you might have a preference based on what you're going to use them for. I personally grabbed a ton of each of these just because I know that I'm going to go through them like crazy. I constantly need stickers of food, and I feel like I have some characters, but not a lot of the colors match, especially in the food items. Like some of them are too dark for pastel spreads and things like that. So these will match so many things, so many different foil color options. So you do have the large and then the mini version of those. And then I thought it'd be funny whenever, like, this also goes like, you know, New Year, and then also with the food ones, there are workout and gym day and Jessica's handwriting, and you do have the 3 varieties there, and then the most popular one, which is just her classic style. So this has, you know, the 4 workouts and the 4 gym days, so you can kind of, you know, change it up there. and Jessica's handwriting, so that is a script sampler. And then we'll go ahead into the kits. This week we do have 4 kits. One of them is Ultimate and Mini. One of them is an Ultimate Kit exclusive. This is exclusive art to SBC. And then we do have 2 Mini Kit exclusives as well that are boy and girl pink, and I'm calling them pink and blue themed because you can use them for whatever you would like. So let's go ahead and get into this. So let's start with the exclusive art. So this was kind of like pivoted a little on Kirsten's baby shower theme. I just texted her that like a couple of days ago. But our initial theme idea was kind of sprinkles, so I thought it'd be cute to do a little baby shower themed kit. But you could totally use this kind of just like a welcome home baby kit, or I mean like a baby shower kit, or anything baby related really. I wanted to keep it pretty neutral, so this does have a lot of blue, green, yellow, and pink, so you got lots of different colors, rainbow in there with all of the neutral gray backgrounds. You do have the freebie here. All of the accents in this kit are silver, and this totally looks like Kirsten. Then over here you have a bunch of deco and a bunch of functional items, again with the silver throughout. A very plain full box there with the balloons, and then you have those new check marks on the bottom, your functional page, your half box page, your headers page, your little things page, your ombre heart checklist, and then your bottom washi, which is super simple with, ooh, actually this would look so cute with the sorbet washi. The marble, and then you have the kind of rainbow ombre on the date covers. So that is super cute, again, super neutral. We do have the option if you want to add on the bottom washi, which is the 15mm in the rainbow gradient, and then there's also the option if you want to add on the fashion girls, which I love the girl with the gray hair, so dang cute. I feel like also if you wanted to kind of use one of these with another kit, it is also neutral enough to use that with it as well. Like any of these kits, I feel like it could kind of go with any of them, and it is just like a little pregnant girl there. She's so cute. So that is the what did I call this, the sprinkle kit. So that is an ultimate exclusive, like I said. It is exclusive art to SPC. Now let's go ahead and, oh wait, sorry, there is an option if you want to add on the glitter sampler as well, which how cute would this look? I'm kind of like high-key obsessed with pastel kits, so I feel like this is gonna look so pretty with silver glitter header overlays. Probably actually like star ones would be ultra pretty. Star or twinkle would be my choice, or chunky. Then let's go ahead into this one, which is probably my second favorite of the week, and I just think it's so pretty and sweet, and this is called Lullaby. I know a lot of people who are going to be using this for reasons that are not baby related. It's just like a really sweet kit. I feel like you could also use it for like a nieces or nephews, goddaughter, godson, birthday. I know Jessica's going to use it for her mom's birthday because her mom loves elephants. Emily's probably just going to use it whenever because it has a sloth on it, and it does have a quote that says "I love you to the moon and back," which is probably one of my favorite like baby related quotes. But you have gold accents throughout, which is a really pretty champagne gold, and I just love how simple this kit is with all the clouds in the background and the gold sparkles. You have a ton of deco here with all the different little animals, and again, I love like these colors remind me a lot of All My Stars, but a little bit more on the muted side with the double like cool tone gray. How pretty is this? So in love. Definitely need to find a reason to use this kit, but you do have the extra full box there. What was the extra full box? Did I kind of just skim over that? So you do have the koala on the extra full box there, and then you have an extra cloud full box, which would be perfect for a quote overlay, and then you have the clouds there. I think I was going to try and start showing this with the option that I think would be the prettiest 15mm here. Obviously you can pick up whichever. You guys seem to really like the marble last week. There was a ton of those sold, so this is the option that I like just because I thought it was kind of like the most neutral instead of the pink or the blue, but also gave the most contrast in the gray option. So really like this. Also another one that you could totally pick up. It is a little bit more of a cool tone bluish gray, but I still think it is a really pretty option. There is a mini kit, but I'll go ahead and show you guys the glitter header options as well, so you do not that one. I was like, what? So there is this one, which has all of the different colors, and then there's also the gold option, which would also look really pretty because there is so many gold accents in the kit. So that is the ultimate kit for the Lullaby collection. I'll go ahead and show you guys the mini kit. Just so sweet. So you do have the same freebie, the same full boxes, the same deco sheet, the same functional, and then this is the different page here. That's the mini kit page, and then you have the bottom washi page there. So that is so, so, so sweet and adorable, and I love it so much. Then we have two kind of gender specific, I guess, kits here. So we do have a baby blue, and then we do have a baby pink here. So love both of these. This is a little bit of older art, but I never did actually use it. So let's go ahead and go through this. So these are mini kit exclusives. I am going to be phasing out our other, I think it was exclusive art, like baby kits. I think I have those set to, like, we're not going to be restocking them. So if you want to pick those up, I don't remember what I called those ones, maybe like little one pink and little one blue, but these will be kind of what we're replacing it for now, and we'll keep these in stock for quite a while. So I love this with the kind of like simple colors, and then you have the marble, and then you have, it's kind of like a sketch, so like the color of the skin is just white. So if you wanted to fill it in, I think it looks cool with all the marble for the skin to be just like that stark white color. It says it's a boy over here. You do have the extra full box here that you could totally put like a quote overlay or just leave it blank. I think if you're using this for kind of like a birth week, it would be pretty to do like that as the full box, and then do a half box over top of it that says like what the baby's name is or something like that. So this does have that champagne gold. I think this would actually match these ones if you wanted to pick up like a champagne gold option. I didn't do a like a gold option that has like the same header color, but I'm pretty sure this is almost exactly the same gold if you wanted to pick this up for this kit. Or the girl version. That would be a cute option there. So cute. Love the marble. You do have like a gold sprinkly bits throughout most of the back there. Then you have the mini kit exclusive page. You have the functional page. You have a ton of deco over here. I kind of went ham on the deco. And then you have your squared off boxes, and then you have your bottom washi, which is so sweet. And then you do have the option if you want to add on the 15mm washi. Again, I try to pick something a little bit with some contrast that pulls in that darker blue, because I do really love me some navy, which is super sweet. You do have your glitter sampler if you want to add that on. So that is baby blue, which is so, so, so sweet. Then we do have baby pink, so love this one as well. It does have some pinky rose gold, so I think you could, I think for this one, I wanted to mention if you're thinking about foils, this one you could totally do the gold, which is what I kind of thought in like a lot of the gold accents, but there are silvers in here as well, which I think kind of lends itself to a mixed metal moment, or you could lean either which way or do whatever you want. Doesn't matter to me, but those are my kind of like my pairing options. I know somebody one time was like, I should put in the kit's like description like best paired with as my opinion, kind of like wine tastings and food. So this is the baby pink, which is just also so dang sweet. So you kind of have the same kind of mirrored elements here. Let me go ahead and pull out the full boxes for that kit so you can see. It's kind of like mirrored options. It'd be sweet if you're having twins and it was a boy and a girl and you wanted, or a gender reveal, you could get both of them since they're mini kits and kind of like do both of them. Or if you're having twins, you can totally like mix and match, and I feel like it wouldn't look too wild because they are the same artist and they do have, like I said, the same elements in them. So this one has pinks and then grays, which I just think is so sweet. Again, the same gold color throughout, which again, like I said, the main color is the gold like in here. But there is a lot of rose gold. So there's rose gold in the baby, and then there is rose gold kind of accents through the art itself, and it's kind of like a pinkier rose gold. So I think, again, mixed metal moment with the gold and the rose gold would be really pretty, like the pinkier rose gold, or just using all gold or all rose gold, or you could do silver because the colors are kind of cooler anyways. Love the colors in this. Just so pretty and beautiful. And then there is your bottom washi, and I thought since this one had the darker background, a like lighter pink option would be really pretty for this to kind of make it like a little feminine and pretty. So that is the baby pink, and then there's the freebie there, and then the option for the glitter headers are here, but like I said, you could totally go more towards the gold ones from the Lullaby set, and it would look super pretty as well. There is that, and then like I said, you do have the 15mm washi overlay option as well. So that is everything for this week. I hope you guys like this week's new releases, all baby themed. I was gonna spread them out, but I just figured if you're shopping for, you know, a baby kit, you might want to just pick them all up or pick up whichever ones you need all at once. Like I said, we do have the foil releases for this week. So we have 3. We have the large food, the mini food, and then the gym/workout. I'll probably call it workout. Yeah. Or maybe fitness. Maybe fitness script sampler. And then we also do have the tangerine sparkle foil. So that is everything for this week. These come out on Wednesday. These come out Friday at noon Eastern. And I will talk to you guys in my next video.